Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you characteristics of chemical reaction. Characteristics of chemical reaction. Characteristics of chemical reaction. So some important characteristics of chemical reactions are total 5 point you have to know. Total 5 point you have to know. First point, funda to learn is formation of precipitate. Formation of precipitate. Evolution of gas. So funda is your first class is you know your from LKG UKG PG, so your class is PG. You have to learn funda PGCTS. PGCTS. Okay students, so important characteristics of chemical reactions are funda is PGCTS. PGCTS. P for first is formation of precipitate. G for gas, evolution of gas. C for color, change in color. T for temperature, change in temperature. S for state, change in state. Okay student, so I hope that you can learn this funda. Funda is PGCTS. PG आपकी एक क्लास हो गई, CT आपके क्लास टीचर हो गए, और ये सब काम आप कहाँ पर करते हो, ये सब चीजें कहाँ पर होती हैं, स्कूल में. S, तो फंडा इसका हो गया PGCTS. ओके स्टूडेंट, फंडा आपको लर्न हो गया. इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस आर फंडा इज PGCTS. PG आपकी एक क्लास हो गई, CT आपके क्लास टीचर हो गए, और S हो गया स्कूल. तो ये जो PG जो है, PG और ये CT दोनों आपको कहाँ पर मिलते हैं, स्कूल में. तो आपको ये फंडा याद हो गया. फंडा है PGCTS. एक्सलेंट फंडा है स्टूडेंट, इसको आप लर्न कर लीजिए. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई एम टेलिंग यू these properties characteristics of chemical reaction in detail. First is formation of precipitate. So you have to learn important funda. I am writing here. Funda is PGCTS. PG आपकी क्लास, CT आपके क्लास टीचर, और ये आपका स्कूल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज फॉर्मेशन of precipitate. Some chemical reactions are characterized by formation of precipitate. When silver chloride, when silver nitrate solution react with sodium chloride solution, then silver nitrate is formed. Look here. When silver, again listen to me dear student, when silver nitrate solution react with sodium chloride solution, then white precipitate of silver chloride is formed. Look here. Some language is same in all cases, so you have to prepare first language. I am writing here. Some chemical reactions are characterized by formation of precipitate. Okay student, you have learned language, you have to learn this language, and after this 5 language you can learn easy way. So first is formation of precipitate. Some chemical reactions are characterized by, we can also use here Z. In some books are given Z, in some books are given S. So you can write on the basis of your facilities. In your book is given Z. Some chemical reactions are characterized by formation of precipitate. Precipitate. Okay student? Formation of precipitate. Precipitates. Precipitates. Example, silver. You know very well, symbol of silver is Ag. When silver nitrate solution, when silver nitrate solution is added to sodium chloride solution, we have to take here AQ. AQ means aqueous solution form. Then we get, look here, we get AgCl, white precipitate of silver chloride. This is white in color, white precipitate of silver chloride. And other thing we get NaNO3, sodium nitrate. Okay student, first point clear. Second point is G for gas. So second point is evolution of gas. Second point is evolution of gas. Language is same. Evolution of gas. GAS. Listen students, some chemical reactions are characterized by evolution of gas. Evolution of gas. Okay student, language is same. Second point is evolution of gas. Some chemical reactions are characterized by evolution of gas. Look here. Some chemical reactions are characterized by evolution of gas. For example, when zinc metal react with dilute sulfuric acid, then zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is formed. Due to formation of hydrogen gas, we can say this is the example of some chemical reactions are characterized by evolution of gas. Zinc react with dilute sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay student. Next point, third point is C for color. So we can say change in color. Look here. Change in color. COLOUR. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in color. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in color. Okay student, some chemical reactions are characterized by change in color. For example, when pieces of iron metals, when iron pieces react with blue color copper sulfate solution, aqueous means solution, blue color copper sulfate solution, then blue color of copper sulfate disappear and ferrous sulfate, green color ferrous sulfate is formed and copper is also formed. Again listen to me student, last time. Change in color. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in color. For example, when pieces of iron metal react with copper sulfate solution, blue color copper sulfate solution, then blue color of copper sulfate solution disappear and green color ferrous sulfate is formed. Okay. Next is number 4. Number 4 is temperature. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in temperature. Change in temperature. Fourth point is temperature. Change in temperature. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in temperature. Okay student, some chemical reactions are characterized by change in temperature. For example, when quicklime CaO, calcium oxide is called quicklime. एंड फंडा टू लर्न क्विक लैंग्वेज, कौआ कैसे बोलता है? काउ काउ। तो काउ की स्पेलिंग क्या होती है? CAO, काउ, CAO काउ। ओके स्टूडेंट, तो आपको क्विक लाइन का फॉर्मूला लर्न हो गया। व्हेन क्विक लाइन इज एडेड टू वाटर देन स्लग्ड लाइम इज फॉर्म एंड अ लॉट ऑफ हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, चेंज इन टेम्परेचर। When quicklime is added to water, then sludge lime is formed and a lot of heat produced. So change in temperature takes place. Last time students, I am telling you change in temperature. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in temperature. For example, when quicklime is added to water, then sludge lime is formed and large of heat is produced. So temperature takes place, change in temperature takes place in this reaction. Next is state. Fifth point is state, change in state. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in state. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in state. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in state. Okay, student, look here. First example, carbon and sulfur. Both are solid. When they react with each other, carbon and sulfur both are solid. Carbon is solid, sulfur is also solid. When they react with each other, then carbon disulfide is formed. Then liquid carbon disulfide is formed. This is liquid. So student, first example clear. Carbon and sulfur both are solid. When they react with each other, then liquid carbon disulfide is formed. So look here. Here change of state take place. Here is solid state and here is liquid state. So change of state takes place. Next example is ammonia gas react with hydrogen chloride gas. When ammonia gas react with hydrogen chloride gas, then solid ammonium chloride is formed. Then solid ammonium chloride is formed. So students, you can learn characteristics of chemical reaction. Funda is PGCTS. PGCTS. P for precipitate, formation of precipitate. Some chemical reactions are takes place or some chemical reactions are characterized by formation of precipitate. Gas, evolution of gas. Some chemical reactions are characterized by evolution of gas. Color, some chemical reactions are characterized by change in color. Temperature, T for temperature. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in temperature. S for state. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in state. Student, I hope that you can understand all points of this lecture. If you have any problem, any confusion, then write it comment box. Like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks. Students, okay?